Arun Jaitley pulls up his ministry in the meanwhile in this issue of the affidavit. In fact, it has asked the ministry to explain why the affidavit wasn't put up to him before the actual submission. Sources are also telling Times Now that Defence Ministry will support the appointment of the Chief of Army Staff. Ministry feels that the affidavit could have been better worded. Navika Kumar, our political editor, is with me for more information. Navika, this is a very complicated situation for the BJP and the Defence Ministry and, of course, Arun Jaitley in particular to be in, because on one hand, he's caught between the claims of his colleague V.K. Singh and on the other hand, the affidavit filed by his very own ministry.
Well, it is very clear at this moment that the NDA government has taken a stand that they will continue to support the Chief of Army Staff, General Sohag. That is the bottom line that has been declared by this government. But at the same time, yes, it's a piquant situation for the Defence Minister Arun Jaitley because this entire affidavit which has put General V.K. Singh, who is a minister in the NDA government, in a piquant situation is something that was made by the previous government, and Arun Jaitley now pulling up his ministry, asking them to explain why this affidavit was not shared with the minister before it was filed in the court. In fact, sources telling us that this affidavit could have been worded better to avoid the embarrassment to the government, and that is something that Arun Jaitley is taking his ministry apart on at this moment. But the bottom line, as I said, is very clear that they will support the Chief of Army Staff, and the running feud between V.K. Singh and General Sohag is not something that the government will back. What we are also being told is that the government has advised General V.K. Singh not to escalate this row any further, and in fact to maintain a stony silence on this entire matter and allow the Defence Ministry to handle this entire situation in the best possible way that it can.